Hey, what's going on? Aaron here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out Rent a Cyberfriend, which is a virtual friend website where you can chat with different people and make money online, all right? And you're wondering, can you make a lot of money by becoming a cyber friend? So let's check out this website to see whether this is legit and whether it's a good use of your time, all right? Now, at any time, if you want to get my favorite way to get to $5,000 to $10,000 a month, 100% from home, just go ahead and click the link below, and I'll send you that strategy for free straight to your email. Now, I've reviewed hundreds of different ways to make money online. Lots of different websites like this, different services, different business models, different platforms, and some of them are great and you can make quite a bit of money, but a lot of them can't, they don't pay you that much money and you can't make that much, so it's a bit of a waste of time. So let's take a look at Rent a Cyberfriend to see how this stacks up against a lot of different other opportunities, okay? Now, Rent a Cyberfriend is pretty cool. You can basically become somebody's virtual friend, a cyber friend, and chat with them either by text or by video, and you would be chatting with people all over the world and they would pay you per minute for doing that. It's pretty cool, okay? Now, again, you can text or you can, speak through video. You can join from anywhere in the world. And if you scroll down right here, you can click on Become a Cyber Friend to sign up to become a cyber friend, right? Now, the important thing to remember about this website is this is not a dating website, and at any point, if your customers are, talking to you and they're talking about something inappropriate, you can report them, okay? So this is very, very much about, being clean, being legit. You would literally just be talking to people that want to chat with someone because they're feeling lonely or they need some companionship, or maybe they need some coaching or advice on, things that's going on in their life, and they just want other people to hear them out, and they could be based anywhere in the world, okay? So it's pretty cool, right? So once you join Cyber Friends, the way that it works is you're going to have to set up your profile. That's very important, okay? So you have to take the time to set up your profile properly, get a nice picture, write a nice profile on yourself, make the custom backgrounds, different colors and things like that, because there are a lot of cyber friends on their website. So if you don't stand out, it's going to be very difficult for you to, get people to want to talk to you, because there's a limited amount of online real estate for people to actually find your profile. I hope that makes sense, okay? Now, after you do that, you do need to set how much you're going to charge people per minute for talking to you, okay? Now, you can charge any price you want, but on average, people will charge usually around 1 cent per minute all the way up to about $3.50 per minute. But you have to understand that the more money you charge someone, the less of a chance that people are going to pick you as a friend to want to chat to you, because they have to pay per minute, right? If you're charging someone $3.50 per minute, which I've seen on some of the profiles, it's very unlikely that people are going to choose you to speak to you, because that's really expensive. I mean, they would have to pay $10 just for speaking to you for, think about it. They have to spend $10 just to speak to you for 3 minutes. That's crazy, right? So make sure you charge someone a reasonable amount, so that you stand the best chance of actually, getting customers as well. People shouldn't have to pay $3.50 for you to chat with you for 1 minute, okay? Somewhere around $1, maybe $1.50 per minute. I think that's a good median based on the average cost of that, these cyber friends are actually charging, right? So once you've done that, then essentially you would just wait for people to speak to you, okay? But the problem is because there are so many people on Rent a Cyberfriend that are cyber friends, right? It's quite difficult sometimes for people to actually pick you and for you to start chatting with people. So you could potentially create a profile here, but never actually get any clients to speak to. That's kind of the problem, right? So one of the things that they tell you to do is to grab your cyber friend link and share it all over social media. So you have to do some self-promotion. But the problem with that is if you don't have a big following, it's going to be pretty difficult for you to share your profile. And if you have a social media profile, most of the people that are following you are probably your friends anyway. So are they really going to pay you to chat with you when they can chat with you for free, since you're already their friends on social media, right? Does that make sense? So it is quite tricky for you to pick up jobs. You might not get any jobs at all based on your profile settings and how much you charge people, and also because there are just so many cyber friends on this website, okay? So that's kind of the issue with Rent a Cyberfriend. But if you do manage to get some jobs, the way that it works is they will pay you out in 3 ways. A direct bank transfer if you're in the right country, PayPal, and Stripe. They have a $50 threshold, okay? So it might take you a while before you rack up to $50, and they have a 20% fee. So Rent a Cyber Friend takes a 20% cut on whatever money you make. So if you make $1, they're going to take 20 cents. If you make $100, they're going to take $20. So it's quite a high fee, but that's what you have to, pay if you decide to use their platform, okay? So that's pretty much it. That's how Rent a Cyber Friend works. It's very, very simple, right? I think it's a pretty cool way if you can actually get clients to talk to you. The problem is that I think that you're going to really struggle to get people to talk to you because there's a limited amount of real estate space. There are a lot of cyber friends that people can pick, right? And, it's not a guarantee that someone is going to pick you because there are just so many faces on cyber friends on their website itself, okay? So it might be pretty challenging to actually get clients to speak to. That's the only thing I would say, right? So how much money can you make? You can probably make, a few dollars, I would say, a month, or nothing really, right? If you're very, very lucky and maybe you're very handsome or you're very beautiful and you've created a great profile and for some reason you're lucky enough for people to click on your profile, then you can potentially make more. But you also have to understand that you're trading your time for money, right? If you're not chatting to people, you're not going to make any money at all. So it's still kind of like a part-time job, if that makes sense. But it's a cool way to earn a little bit of income virtually if you somehow manage to get people to speak to you. All right, so that's Rent a Cyber Friend. If you want to check it out, it is a legitimate website. It's free, but again, the issues are whether you can really get people to talk to you on a regular basis for you to make decent income. I would say don't rely on this. It's probably a pretty fun way to generate a little bit of side income, but if you're looking for real big full-time income, I probably wouldn't recommend this particular website. But if you're here watching this video right now, perhaps you're looking for a way to generate some big income online. Maybe you're looking for full-time income. Maybe you're looking for a cool side hustle where you can make significant income, right? Then the thing about the internet these days is there are so many different ways to make big income, all right? You just have to understand where to look. And I think that Rent a Cyber Friend is probably one of the worst ways or not so good ways to generate income. But if you want to get my favorite way to get to $5,000 to $10,000 a month, 100% from home, you don't even have to leave your house. Just go ahead and click the link below and I'll send you that strategy straight to your email for free. You can check that out if you would like, all right? I hope you enjoyed this review today and I hope to see you on another product review. See you soon.